What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Staffo Ace Funds. Today, we'll be talking about marketing strategies for small businesses. Before beginning this video, you all must have already read on these articles. The articles are mainly on how to do SEO, how to run Facebook ads, how to use Google Analytics, how to build your website. So, again, this is one part of it. The second part of it is actually the foundation on which you're going to build this. Like, you start your Facebook page, what do you put on it? You start your Instagram handle, what do you put on it? Your website, what does it say about you? So again, I'm going to give you one perspective of how this can be done. First term that I'm going to use is UGC. UGC is user generated content. When you talk about small businesses, there are some constraints, like they cannot go heavy on marketing. Second constraint what I see is they do not have time. They are more focused on sales, and that leads to, again, the marketing part is skipped, and you cannot do anything about it. But what if your consumers, your customers, people who are using your products, they create the content for you? Again, this is the entire basis of the influencer marketing, that someone somewhere who people look up to, they have a look at your product, they post about it online, and then you get the content about it. But same thing can be used by you by pushing your normal customers to do a post for you on social media, or again do some content pieces for you. I'm going to give two examples, one of a product, one of a service. Now, if I start a gym, instead of me pushing for the equipment that I have, me pushing the location I have, I'll push the people doing workout there. Obviously, I will take their permission first, but I'll be pushing their workout. Maybe I'll be doing a before and after of them joining the gym. You make your customers the ambassadors for your particular service. That is in case of gyms, and again it can be applied to many other services. It can be applied to massage services, it can be applied to, like, again, there's an infinite number there. The second thing is products. Let's speak about, again, any electronics. Even if you have like something related to food, like again a masala business, you send masala to people. People can just send you pics of the dishes that they have created. You can again, for people sending you some content that they have created for you, you could reward them. Maybe you can send them another product. You can make them testers for the next product that are coming in. So again, you can even get the feedback from them. Plus, you can also, they will be creating content for you and for your pages. Overall, why does this user generated content work for startups, and why does it work for small businesses? Let me repeat myself. First, you do not have the time. You're mainly focused on sales. Second, you do not have the money to push into that. Again, smaller businesses, there is some budget constraints. So again, if someone creates content for you, the best way for selling your stuff is word of mouth. So again, get people to talk about your product. Use those testimonies on your page, on your website, on your channel, on your ID, and then see how other people get connected with you. Then it makes sense. Like, again, since you have now 3-4 ambassadors in a particular area, then you can target them via Google ads, via Facebook ads, and that's how it works. You will keep on growing. You create ambassadors. You don't create customers, you create ambassadors of your product. They go out, they speak about your product. Best examples I can give you is Starbucks, everybody, they go in, they have a particular drink, they take a photo, it's online, people know you're in Starbucks. That is free advertising that Starbucks is getting. It's not paying for it. So again, UGC, user generated content, use it to create content for yourself. The best way to go around, word of mouth. That would happen the moment you create ambassadors out of customers. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Do subscribe, do like the video.